Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to download iOS 18 Developer Beta Mode. This is free for all and quick and easy to get. All we need to do is first head to our web browser on our iPhone and head over to developer.apple.com. Once this page loads up, press these two little lines in the top left hand corner here to open up this menu. Select Account, and now we're going to need to sign in to our Apple ID. Once you've signed in, you'll need to agree to this Apple Developer Agreement. Now on this next page, you don't need to press Enroll Today, as this will cost you money. So we can get rid of this. Now we want to go into our settings, come down to General, Software Update, and Beta Updates should be here. If it's not, refresh the page by swiping downwards. Now if it still doesn't work, head back over to a web browser and search out for beta.apple.com. And you should be able to sign up here, and then come back to the software update page. To update to the latest iOS 18 or whichever one you're trying to download, select Beta Updates, select the iOS developer beta you want to try out, so in this case it's iOS 18, select it, come back, and it'll be available to update to that latest iOS beta version. Keep in mind, beta versions are very buggy, but over time they will be ironed out. It's a great way to check out the latest beta version, what is coming soon. So that's how to download iOS 18 Developer Beta Mode. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.